Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the exact materials you'll use and preparing the surface. This prevents interruptions later. Clean the palette with rubbing alcohol so paint sticks evenly, then lightly sand wooden or plastic surfaces to reduce gloss. Once done, mark out 3/6 mixing wells and one larger central area using pencil or tape. This gives you consistent zones. You do this because defined wells control paint flow and drying rates, making color mixing faster and neater as you work. You now form functional wells and protect the palette surface so paints behave predictably. Carefully carve or press shallow wells about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep to hold globs of paint. Aim for consistent depth so water and medium distribution stays uniform. Next, apply a thin coat of gesso or a clear sealant and let it dry. This controls absorbency. Once dry, test a swatch of paint to see how it spreads, and if needed, sand lightly and reseal to fine-tune performance. Finish by arranging paints for efficient mixing and setting up maintenance habits that keep the palette reliable. You should place lights on one side, darks opposite, and neutrals near the center so your eye and hand move logically. Once arranged, squeeze small amounts initially to avoid waste. After painting, scrape excess, wipe with solvent, and reseal any worn spots. If paint beads or drags unexpectedly, resand the area lightly and apply a thin sealant coat. This corrects surface tension and restores consistent flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.